Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to master ChatGPT on iPhone with iOS 18.2. Just make sure first you're currently on the updated version requirement for ChatGPT on iOS, which as you can see right here, I'm currently on settings, and go to software update, and as you can see, it's loading and I'm currently installing 18.5. That means I'm currently under 18.2 as of now, which gives me access to ChatGPT allowability I'm gonna be on iPhone iOS. So it'll be App Store right there. Once you're inside App Store, go to the search bar and basically pretty upfront ChatGPT right there and gonna be looking like this. So I have successfully installed it. Right now I can just simply open it. As you can see right there, I am now opening ChatGPT inside my iOS. All I can do right now is just sign up, sign in, and I'm good to go. So as you can see right here, there are things happening there. You can just click on the plus icon for photos, camera, and files. On the second line right there, you can sign in or log out. And then right here, there is a settings option. You can improve model for everyone. You can choose your language. And basically for this one, you can now use reason or search. And now, I'm going to teach you another step further. If you click on the shortcuts menu, as you can see right there, go to automation, make sure you're going to be on automation. Click on new automation and basically choose ChatGPT here. Going back on shortcuts right here, and then I'm going to choose ChatGPT for now. There are a lot of things going on. You can choose voice mode, ask ChatGPT, or basically start a new chat. If I click on start a new chat for this one, as you can see right there, what would you like to ask ChatGPT about? Just ask anything you want here, and moving forward, you can assign a shortcut key for this one. Have at it, alright? And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.